Hi, how are you doing today? Welcome to Meru Accounting. Uh, to give an introduction about ourselves, we are a firm of chartered accountants, and we have been servicing many clients based out on various countries in the globe. Mainly, we have been servicing US, European, UK, Australian, Canadian clients. Over number of years of experience working on with various accounting firms, bookkeepers, as well as end businesses, we have put together a list of all the tools that are required to provide a great and best-in-class services to the clients. So, yeah, moving together on explaining you on what can be the tools for effective servicing the clients and working in the virtual world. So coming to the going to the list, we'll first decide upon the communication tools which would required in order to ensure that there is a seamless communication with the clients. The first tool that comes to mind is Slack. It's a fantastic software which can help in instant messaging requirements. It can help you to communicate with your team members in real time, and you need questions to some of the answers in real time, and Slack can come to your help there. Zoom, we use Zoom a lot, and Zoom is best in class platform for seamlessly communicating with the clients and conducting the long meetings for the client. Currently, it's a fantastic tool for scheduling your time and ensuring that there are no missed meetings. You can save ample of time in ensuring that meetings are seamlessly scheduled. Dawdle helps in scheduling, and it's a free software. You can try that out as well. Now, here are the most important bookkeeping and accounting tools on which we do books of accounts. The number one comes QuickBooks. It's a great tool, and it has got various features to ensure that clients can understand the data and the bookkeeping in a very seamless manner. FreshBooks. It's a great tool for for the people who employ various contractors, and it has got good time tracking capabilities where you can do time billing and ensure that you are billing the client effectively. WaveApps is a free accounting software useful for US and Canadian based businesses. Xero, it's a beautiful design accounting software with very good reports, a very good, decent bank feeds, and it has got customized reports which can help you in customizing your reports and taking the good business decisions. Zoho is great in terms of it has got various other add-ons along with Zoho Books, which you can use like Zoho CRM, Zoho Meeting Scheduler. It can also help you to manage your books of accounts, and it can serve as an ERP platform for your business. NetSuite is an ERP system which helps all the businesses to have all the processes in a single system. It can be helpful, particularly in case where you have got subsidiaries around the globe and you want consolidated financial reporting. Udo is an open ERP system, and it has got all the benefits of open platform. Yeah, coming to time tracking tool, time tracking helps you to track all the employees' time and ensure that there is efficiency in the working. Hubstaff is a great tool which you can use. Toggle is another tool. It also integrates with other accounting softwares. Harvest is a great tool as well. You can check that out. We have been using Time Doctor for a few of our clients, and it works great. Um, yeah. Coming to the project management tools, you need to ensure that everything is at a single place and all your team members can coordinate from there. So let's check what are the good tools which we can use for your day-to-day project management needs. Asana, yeah, it's a great software, and it's free version. You can try that out, and it can help you to ensure that none of the tasks are being missed out. Basecamp is also a good software which can help to do scheduling as well as sharing your files and data. Dropbox can help you to ensure that your your cloud storage is done in a secure manner. Canva can help you to create various graphics. In order to get organized and ensure that none of the tasks missed out, To Do is a very light tool that can help you to ensure that none of the tasks are missed out. You can use DocSend for sharing of the documents. DocuSign. This is a great tool in getting legally binding agreements signed in a flawless manner. Yeah. You need a meeting. You need to take notes during your meeting, and Evernote can come to your help. It's a great software, and it helps you to store everything on the cloud and accessible through various platforms. Uh, Coming to some of the Google tools which are available, Google Drive is a great alternative to Dropbox. We use that a lot. You can use Google Calendar for scheduling purposes, ensuring that you don't miss on any meetings. Gmail has got fantastic abilities on its email capabilities, and it can help you to view all the emails in the best manner. It's in my personal opinion, Gmail is the best of all the email service providers that are available now. Google Meet is a great option to conduct online meetings. You can use Google Docs for your online cloud storage. Google Sheets, it's a great tool with a lot of capabilities. Google Slides can help you to prepare presentations and ensure that you can communicate to your audiences in a great manner. Google Forms is a great tool to ensure that you can collect the data and seamlessly analyze that. Coming to the Microsoft tools, Microsoft has been designing various tools to ensure that we can work and coordinate during the work. So Outlook is one such tool. It can help you in your email management. OneDrive is for managing all your file storage. Word, it helps in making up very clean documents and letters. Excel helps you in your is a spreadsheet program, and it's a lot useful for dealing with a large database. PowerPoint can help you to ensure that with graphics and charts, you can explain your point to the audiences. Teams is a great tool which can help you in seamlessly conducting the meetings. OneNote can help you to take down all your notes and ensure that they are all in one place. SharePoint helps you to organize your internal storages and sharing of the data. So yeah, that's all, and hope this is helpful to you. If you like our video, you can subscribe to the bell icon down, and we'd be happy to discuss with you regarding your needs, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.